In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DESMOS geometry to create a triangle and to measure an angle. Then you will repeat the process on 3 different triangles to discover the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. To construct a triangle, click on Polygon, and the screen will tell you choose a point. Then we have to go choose another point, and then choose another point. And to close the triangle, we want to go back to our original point. To measure an angle, we click on Angle, and it tells me to choose a point on one of the legs. So I'm just going to choose the point. Then it says choose a point for the vertex. So I'm coming up to my vertex point, and then choose a point on the other leg. And I'm going to use the end point of that leg. And that gives me the measure of the angle at 41 degrees.